How to customize channel permissions on Discord mobile. In order to do that, head over right here to your homepage, and then you should be able to see in here this. Just choose in here a server that you're a moderator of or an owner of, and then from in there, just click on the server name, and then we have in here this. Click on the settings, and then from in there, you just scroll down and choose in right here the role. Now, just assign a role to any member that you have, and then from in there, just click on that role, and then you can click on this permissions, and then you can choose in here the permissions that you have for that role. Other thing that you can do is you can head over and then just long press the channel that you want, and then scroll down, and then from in there, you can click on this edit channel, and then from in there, you can add this age restricted content, which actually changes the permission that this channel will give. So that's how you customize channel permissions on Discord Mobile. Hope you help.